Hey guys, very excited today because it's a nostalgic moment for me. After a long time, I've got some comics which reminded me of my childhood. So that's what we are going to talk about today. Full review, unboxing, and then what I like about them, what I don't like about them, etc. But in a quick snapshot, I want to show you the books and I want to tell you 2-3 things before we start on the full video. One is I like the paper quality. Second, I think the price is a fair price. It's not too much. Even though the paper quality could be improved a notch by going for glossy paper, but obviously that would also increase the price. And I like that they've priced it in a very decent rate. And I've seen a lot of good selection of titles they've picked up to publish first hand, and them going to English beyond Malayalam only publishing is great news for all the Phantom and Mandrake fans out there. The only con, if any, I would say is that improve your packaging so that when you ship it out, it doesn't get too much of damage. While I have no complaints on the books I have got or with the packaging there, but I've seen some negative comments around that from a few folks. So that's my only negative amongst all the books. And thank you Regal Comics for bringing this comics back to life once again for all the Indian comic book fans out there. So with that, let's jump right into our video today. This one I have just taken it out of the outer wrapping, and a special thing about this is come directly from the publisher himself, and it's not ordered through any of the sellers or through Amazon or Flipkart. So we are going to check out some interesting comics here. This has come from Regal Publishers all the way from Kerala. So right now I am in the northeast, so it's traveled quite a bit through India Post, and it's just got here. I just got it today. So this is what we are going to have a look today. Okay, so what I've done is I just removed this shrink wrapping. I still feel the packaging is not fantastic. It's okay, but it leaves a lot of things to chance because there is a high risk that this may get damaged or bent depending on how the delivery person feels like. So I would recommend them or request them to make this more sturdy and get this in a shape where whatever they tamper outside doesn't impact the books inside, right? And this is one feedback which I've been getting from this packaging in the WhatsApp group as well, because many guys have been ordering it. And the only additional part which I did was I just didn't order 2 books of theirs which was in English. I ordered the entire bunch which had both English and Malayalam, because I am from Kerala and I would definitely want to read the Malayalam comics as well, of none other than our favorite or India's favorite superhero in my mind, which is Phantom. So let's get into that. Okay, I see there are some advertisements here, so that means they've got some sponsors whose advertisements are featuring here, and you will see the Regal Comics name as well. The first book that we see here is Mandrake. So it reads Mandrake and the Murderer King, right? That's a literal translation. I love the cover. Let's just try to place it here so that we can go through all the covers. Next one has a different advertisement. That's interesting. So that means they've got up and tied with different sponsors. So this is a Scooby Day. This is one of the famous bags which is there in down south. So let's see. Okay, again another Mandrake and the Snow Bear is what it says. It actually says a Himalayan snow bear kind of is the name that is given to it. I love the cover again. The good part is these covers are a bit glossy. I remember buying Regal Comics long way back, and again if you look at the next one, okay, this one is their own advertisement, not from a external party, because they are advertising their other books, which is Tarzan novels, etc. So that's a interesting one. And this one is Mandrake in the City of Gold. Let's place it right there. I don't know how many Mandrakes are there. I'm just waiting to see some Phantoms, but I'm sure they will come later. And again the next one, we are having a Mandrake and the Spy Gang, that's what it's named. I'm really enjoying these covers, guys. I hope you guys are as well, and I will take you guys through each one of them again. I'm just trying to place them in a better way. So the next one we have is Mandrake and Speedy. I don't know who is Speedy, but looks like this scientist right here. Let's see. Okay, finally we get on to a Phantom one, at least the one behind. This is the English book. I ordered 2 English books, and this is one of them. They've recently published it, so I really wanted to get it, and these are double digests. So the one I have here is Phantom number 2, Terror in Mowitan, and the Sinbad Stone. Those 2 are covered in this one. Okay, so this is a thicker book as compared to the other one. This is double the size, and I really love this cover, guys, right? This is, I think, of the whole lot that I've received, this is the best cover. It says the warmongers and the briefcase, right? Those are the 2 stories here. Let's paste it right here. Okay, we still have more to go. Seems I ordered quite a bit of them. The next one is Phantom and a mafia gang. Again, love the cover. I really love this one where Phantom is standing up. Phantom and the village of gangsters. That's what it reads. So that is another one. My desk is getting full with all the comics now. The next one is Phantom and the Dictator. I think I've read this one in Indrajal comics as well, very long back. Okay. The next one is Phantom and the General. Again, this was also part of the Indrajal lineup, if I remember correctly. The last one I have is Phantom and the Drug Cartel. So I hope you guys liked it. It seems to be a lot of comics to take in at one go. Let's check up the few of the pages inside. Okay, the quality is still a newspaper print, so that's not a glossy print. I was expecting maybe it will be glossy print, but I really like that colors are all fine here. It looks good. It kind of like reminds me of kind of like the Amar Chitrakatha pages, right, where I remember seeing the sky as blue, etc. But let's see what is in store for us, the English one. This is the recently published one. Is this going to be the same page like the other Malayalam ones, or is it different? No. Okay, it's slightly different. It definitely is different, but it's not glossy for sure, not like a graphic novel that you get and you order it. I'm just placing it side by side. In fact, when I compare it again, I feel that both are almost the same, right? The paper quality, don't feel much of a difference. They have also an introduction by Lee Falk, but the only difference is I think it's a double digest verse and it has 2 stories versus this one having a single story. So the ones I ordered, for example, these are 50 each. Again, I see a different sponsor here. These are 50 each and these ones are 120, right? The number 1 and number 2. So that's the price in case any of you guys are looking for that. So that's the bunch of comics, guys. I really want to check how you want to do it again. When do you want me to read all these comics and suggest to you which ones to pick, because some of these are very regional, so not everybody's piece of cake. But I will definitely do a review on Phantom number 1 and Phantom number 2, both of which are in English, and I think it's a very good way for them to now venture into English publishing. Yeah, so just let's before we go, let's just take a sneak peek on what contents are there in these books. If you guys are really interested and love these books, I will definitely do a full review of it. But quickly, I just wanted to show you what is there contained in. Like I said, 2 stories are there in the English ones, and at the end there is a page. There is not much other than the story, not much additional material, just a last page which has Lee Falk, the creator of Phantom and Mandrake. I really love that. And some of these books also have talk about their novels, which is there, which is the Tarzan novels. I really love this artwork of Tarzan with the wild animals. It's really brilliant. I may decide to pick up some of these Tarzan ones at a later point in time because it looks really cool, and I think I would also recommend them to publish those also in English. I think that will really get a lot of other interest parties coming in, and they have also given the number and how to reach them if you want to purchase from them directly, as well as some other advertisements, which I'm happy that they are trying to offset some of their costs through the advertisements as well. All really good. I got it for free shipping because it's like a early bird kind of offer, although it came through India Post, so it took quite a long time. It took me around 15-20 days for it to reach there, but still, if I didn't have to pay for the shipping, I'm just happy to do it. And yeah, so that's it guys. I hope really you really like this unboxing, and one of my requests will be to support Regal Publishers, order from them directly, and try to order as much as you can read, because this, for me at least, is a revival of some of our favorite characters, and publishing house trying their best to bring them out is really deserve a lot of kudos. I'm just looking at this logo here. So try and support them, and if you guys really need any help contacting them, just let me know. I will definitely share those details with you. So please do subscribe and check out for more. Bye bye.